Well, today is J 9th, uh, 2025. I will start with an a cappella poem from Andy Lau, Lau Datwa. He's among the four heavenly kings, Say Dai Qing Wang. And the title of this song happens to be the same as the last few times, but hey, it takes a little bit of work. I could vouch to that. It is Together for the Days We Stride. It's It sounds like this. 如何面對曾一起走過的日子，現在剩下我獨行，如何要心息一一講你知，從來無人明白我，或者你比我好日子。With that, I will talk about uh, my work in KonaWare Core Messaging. I've done most of the scaffold it's layered. So now I'm ready for the integration. At the very lowest level, I'm gonna put together two basic type. It's called basic type. I call it atom, like a long and it's string into a hash map, and this hash map contains a key data pair, right? And you have a data, which is a new line and a string, and then the most basic core message would be X position and Y position. So it's like a chessboard that could be rendered both on the cloud side, on the JSP side of Tomcat, as well as local J dialog, which is a local panel that can be rendered. So you can think of it as Adobe Premiere, where you create all these uh, Photoshop pictures and then you upload to the cloud. And then I already have the menu already. I just need to start integrating, and you could send a chat to it. Um, so I think that I'm pretty sure that could work because there's always hacks. If you're able to send basic types like a string, and then you have a GUI on the client side as well as the server side, then it's this you can always hack it, right? I mean, it's like you can create HTML specification, and you can only do 6 or 7 things that what the author intended, but the other people it's broken. So I mean, it's still a hack, right? Because you're supposed to create this HTML specification. I would do that, and then and then I have power tools, which is a tickle. It's like Born Shell or Perl basically, and that I have another layering, which is Kissy Face, which is a Lisp interface. Before that, I have the so my first deliverable will be have this chat, which is rendered into a realm. A realm is like a checkerboard. That's that's like a web page basically. It's a web page that could be rendered locally using a J panel, a J dialog, and and a panel, as well as the JSP page. So and that has location aware regional and spacing attributes to it. And so the next version is I need to uh, remove the polling. So that's gonna be a bit of work, right? Remove the polling interval because I would set the polling interval to be 1 second each. So you want to at least under like a millisecond. So that has to be a broadcast. So it has to be a ICMP packet, and the packet assembly would uh, from the basic type, which is an atom, into into a KW hash map would have to be done at the kernel level, and so and that layers. So once it goes so this is S quad, right? It goes into like EV machine, EV electric vehicles, the computer brain, as well as let's say Nintendo Switch. So S Penta would be the next level up, and so all these assembly will go to another different packet, and that would be like capable packet double prime is a second generation packet, right? And so that goes into a solar virtual machines into Starlink. The Starlink would have a router. A router is different from an authenticator, but you could put them together. So you have hubs, hub prime, and switch prime, and these are repeaters and switches. So eventually the satellites will have hub uh, hub double prime and switch double prime, but that's later work. So I need to do the basic chat, and then I'll show you the GUI. I've done all the basic layout of the GUI on the client side, which is Swing, Java Swing. Because I have a JTable that could analyze each one of these uh, uh, key data pair attributes on a basic standard hash map, and you layer these hash. It's like HTML specification, right? All these hash maps, key data pair, and then I've done the ICMP backend, which is a lot of work because I have to build sniffers, TFTP, and entire control protocol on top of it. Uh, so that's going to be a lot of work. But with that, I should be able to demonstrate a basic chat in just maybe a few days. Thank you.